back to Eat It Nation. Tonight we're going to do some pork spare ribs, kind of spare ribs. It's a shoulder cut. I really had the intention of getting shoulder steaks, but right now you're lucky to find what you can get. So hang around, my brothers and sisters, and we're going to show you how to do this. Alright, we're going to inject these with some Creole butter. This will help add some moisture. Well, we're going to take it out and grill it. What I kind of decided we're going to do with these. When you stick your needle in these, you can kind of a tough stick, but you'll see it start to fill up, and you just want to kind of gradually push in real easy, because if you push hard, you're liable to get a bath in it. It will spray right back on you. See that? I'll squirt it out of there. It really doesn't take a whole lot. But anything we can get in there is going to help with the moisture content at the end. Alright, now the rest of it, we're just going to kind of use it as a binder. Except let our seasoning stick. It's also going to add some flavor to the outside of it. Okay, we're going to go pretty simple on seasonings. Going to be onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and some chargriller. Try to get all your surfaces. Alright, this is our garlic. And just plain black pepper. Now if you want to go with some cayenne or anything you want on these, because in the end you're the one that's got to eat them, so don't be afraid to experiment. You can even leave me some messages and see how they turned out. Or if you've got any ideas on something you want me to cook, feel free. Okay, this chargriller, kind of want to be a little sparing with it, because it's a pretty strong flavor. It's a good flavor. Definitely one you want to experiment with. Trust me, I've experimented with a lot. I probably have seasonings in 3 different cabinets in this kitchen. Alright, we're going to let those set in for a little bit, let the seasoning set, and we'll get the grill going, and we'll be right back. Alright, we're at the grill. Got some baked potatoes going to go with this. This is preheated to about 400 degrees. And what I want to do is just get a quick sear on this meat. So I'm going to put it directly over the coals. I have this set up with a cool zone here and a hot zone here. We're going to start out over here on the hot side and get us a sear on the outside of these. Okay, we're getting the sear and we're flipping them over. Once we get the good sear on them that we want, we're going to take them over here and put them on the cool side. Just kind of got to stand over them. We're probably looking for an internal temp target here about 145, 150. We don't want to get crazy hot. Kind of want to get a medium well on them. Back in just a minute. Okay, let's look at these. I've been rotating them. And I think we're ready to come over here and we're going to put these over here on the cooler side. Get them off those coals. It really doesn't matter if you stack them up. It's not going to hurt. Because we're basically going to finish out now with some radiant heat. We just want to get them off those coals. And our baked potatoes, still working on them. They take them about 45 minutes or so. So hopefully we get all this coming in at about the same time. We're at 142. That was 142. 149. That one's in the 150s. Alright, last step on this. I'm going to brush some barbecue sauce on them. And we're going to let them rest for about 15 or 20 minutes. We'll be ready to eat. Potatoes are just about done out there on the grill. We'll go out and check them. You know those are done when you can take a toothpick and they poke real easy. They've been in probably going on 45 minutes. They're probably really close to being done. Now, this barbecue sauce is a blend of two commercial brands. I'm not going to tell you which ones. It's all an experiment. It's all in what you like. So, this is where we're at for right now. We'll be back in just a few. Alright, this is a pretty quick cook. It's probably been close to an hour, right around an hour since we started. And I seared them in, and here's what we've got. This is going to be what we're going to be eating right here. So, the other thing I want to show you, these baked potatoes, they were in there a little bit over 45 minutes, right around 350 to 400 degrees. You see how easy that's when they're done. If you can take a toothpick and poke them like that, that's when they're finished. Okay, here we go. We're going to put one of these on the plate. We're going to cut into it and see what we've got. And it's done. You can taste the char. You can taste it was on the grill. I'm telling you what, you got to do this. See you next time. Now, if you like what you see here, click that subscribe button and help me out. Send me some love. Until then, eat it, nation. We'll see you next time.